Clouds are gathering and rain might be imminent. Time to put up a rain shelter. I'm using a 120-liter garbage bag as an emergency roof. I've cut the bag open to maximize surface area. Crucially, I'm using bicycle inner tube loops as tensioners. These act as shock absorbers, preventing the plastic from ripping in high winds. It's a perfect rainfly, but its real value? It's a fast and efficient water gathering system. Since it's not raining at the moment, I'll simulate the rainfall. I adjust the tension to create a basin. This turns my rainfly into a rainwater harvesting system. Now, if you want to see this gear pushed to its absolute limit in the next challenge, hit that like button to keep this series going. When I'm ready to move, I simply drain the excess, collapse the rig, and fold it down. It's lightweight, compact, and fits easily into a jacket pocket, ready for your next camp.
Stay smart, keep it simple, stay prepared, and I see you in the next one.